Hi friends, so excited. It's that time of month again where we get to open up our new treasure box from Potomac Beads. I'm so excited. Yay. I'll make sure you check out the links in the bottom of my video because I am not only an influencer, but now I'm also an ambassador, or I can't think, affiliate. That's the word. I couldn't think of it, for Potomac Beads. So if you click on the links, they have my link included, and I get a percentage of each sale. So that really helps me to keep doing these videos and everything. So make sure you like, subscribe, and check out the links and get your awesome beads from Potomac. But without further ado, dun, 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 let's check it out. I don't know why, but I love the 20s. So this treasure box this month for January is called the Roaring 20s. So make sure you head out to potomacbeads.com with my link to get your treasure box. We're going to embark on a journey back in time to the lavishness and sophistication of the 1920s with our exquisite Roaring 2020s treasure box. Immerse yourself in an era of classic black and white aesthetics and a subtle yet unmistakable touch of glitz and glamour. Open a box that transcends time, bringing the elegance and indulgence of the Jazz Age, Prohibition, and flappers to your present-day doorstep. Ooh. Well, I love the Roaring 20s. I like flapper dresses and all kinds of stuff. So I'm excited for this box. And this is one of their size bead it boards, which are so fun too. Let me show you this really quick. This I got as a present, but it's nice and soft and beautiful fabric. Bead on it boards that they're called, and they help your beads not to roll away from you when you're working. So you'll have to go check them out. So without further ado, we have these check ladybug beads in black. And this is the fun part about having my beaded board out to show you these awesome beads. How cute are these? I don't know if you can see how cute they are, but they're these cute little ladybugs, black ladybugs. How fun. And check glass. All this stuff is, look at these Potomac crystal briolettes. So awesome. I love this blue gray color. As you can see, it matches my nails well. How exciting is that? That's my dog. So everybody say hi to Bailey. Barking at the wind again. Bailey, it's okay. How beautiful are these? All right. Oh my goodness, look at these. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? These are, let's see if I could figure this out. I have a whole list of all the stuff on the back here. These are probably maybe the check rounds at 8 millimeters. Well, they certainly are check glass, somewhere around 6 or 8 millimeters. So bead strand, and I thought there was more than one of these, but I guess not. How beautiful is that? And then here's another bead strand. These are rondelles. They're the check faceted rondelles. See that sparkle? Oh my goodness, loving that sparkle. And then these are some crystal. Looking at the list, and these are probably the check faceted 6 millimeter. Because see, the faceted is all the little edging that's put on it. So brings that extra sparkle in there. These are really cool. Look. Oh my gosh. How fun are these? They're single holes. 2 holes would have been really cool too. But the single, don't get me wrong, these are really cool. So these are, let me see if I can figure out what these are. On their list, I mean. So it's a off the top of my head, there's a long list. They give you so much awesomeness. It's hard to look at this list. So there's a lot. I will figure that out in a little bit. Here they always send some kind of hardware, so I can make some post earrings here. How fun is that? 6mm stainless steel, so hyperallergenic. Gotta love that stainless steel. Ooh, look at these. How beautiful are those? Those are the labradorite pebble beads in 6 to 8mm. Oh my goodness, just gorgeous, just gorgeous. Let's see, nice thick bag. So precious stone here. Look at, oh, how gorgeous is that? So pretty. Look at that coloring and everything. So pretty. These are check carrier beads in white, 17 by 9. How cool are those? They're very, they have like a matte finish. Ooh, I like the way those feel. I'm not sure what I'll use them for, but they're really cool. Such high quality pieces. So here's some of these really pretty crystal, I think these might be the briolettes. It's single hole and they look like little rainbows, but look at the finish on them. I've got like an AB finish or something. Just really unique shape and everything. That's one thing I really love about Potomac. These really cool shapes and stuff. Ooh, look at this color. Druzy agate, round beads, and blue iris. Oh my goodness, look at that color. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. Look at that. Oof. So pretty. Those would work to make not only post earrings, but something really pretty with a dangly earring. Ooh, we'll have to see what our design on the fly will come up with. Check glass mix and city night lights. So this is just a whole mix of all kinds of check glass. I like these little mixes they throw in here. All kinds of stuff. Look at this. Ooh, look. A check heart. Ooh, so pretty. So pretty. So much in here. I mean, they stuffed this bag full of beads. All kinds of stuff. Oh, I see another check heart. I think I'm going to have to make something with those check hearts. Oh my goodness. Look at how pretty those are. Real simple little, ooh, definitely have to make something for Valentine's Day with those. So we can clean this up a little bit, but I'm going to leave those out for our design on the fly, I think. Make some cute little, here, we'll just move this over here. Ooh, how fun are these? I keep coming over here, sorry. Hard to film and look at beads at the same time. So black and white check cards. How fun are these? They're playing cards. Oh my goodness. Those Christmas trees from last month sold right away at the shop where I sell my jewelry. Bellemercantile and Bellefonte. So if you're looking for my handmade jewelry, that's where you can find it. Or if you see me make something, you can message me before I get it to the shop. Those will be fun to make something too. Oh my gosh, how beautiful are these? Look at that color. Oh, so pretty. They are Trying to figure out where the hole is. And Bailey's barking. That's somebody again. Looks like UPS might be visiting us. All right, I will be right back. But those are the check triangle beads, cracked crystal. So pretty. All right, we'll keep moving forward here. So many interruptions. All right, where were we? All right, we just looked at the turquoise cracked crystal blue, and now we have a check organic disc bead in marble gray. Ooh, nice, big. Oh, the weight of them and their color and everything. So beautiful. So beautiful. Ugh. These are fun. These are their Pie Duo beads in jet with an AB polish. Oh my goodness. How pretty is that? Oh, and it's a dual hole. So 2 holes. Look at how that's so pretty. I like when they have the dual holes, but so not quite sure what I'll do with those, but very unique. Look at these gumdrop beads in opal. Gotta love your opal. Check glass. Oh, so pretty. Oh, very interesting. The holes are on the bottom, see? Huh. Not quite sure what we'll do with that, but we will figure it out, right? As we go along. I sent something really cool. I love these little jar things. So a storage container for all my bead awesomeness. So I can separate out some of this awesome check glass. Oh, a very pretty gun metal hook and eye clasp. Such quality piece. Look at is just high quality. Just looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Potomac, you make a wonderful box. You really do. I'm just impressed. They sent me some of their own. So this is Dragon Thread by Bead Tech. So this is one of their beading threads. It's the strongest beading thread on the market. So your designs will last longer. So I'm excited to try that out. I haven't tried their beading thread out yet. And this gorgeous, oh, wait until you see these. I think they're Tohos. Oh, no, Mayuki. Look, silver lined light S 11Os. Wow, that color, look how well that matches my nails. I'm loving that. Oof, gotta loom something, or I don't know. Just absolutely gorgeous. Wow. Once again, you outdid yourself, Potomac. So many awesome beads. So much awesomeness. Look at all this. All in one box. I'm telling you, this is just one of their boxes. They have another one where they give you already designed stuff. But this one, you design the stuff yourself. And look, it doesn't even all fit on my bead on it board. So the Roaring 2020s, and you can show your designs on Instagram and Facebook, and they want you to tag them. Potomac Beads, their treasure box. Thank you so much for joining me, and stay tuned for a design on the fly.